And a very fine good morning to everybody here. Let's see here. We want that to be muted. And so I am recovering from this nasty cold that I had this last Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and some of yesterday. So, pardon my hacking and coughing. I actually had turned my mic off all Friday uh, while I was trading because I didn't want everybody to hear my hacking and coughing. So I will try to limit all of that as best I can today. And Friday was a very, very bad trading day for me. I've decided that I really shouldn't trade when I am sick or have a fever because I make horrible, horrible decisions. I don't know why, but I do. And so, yeah, Friday was a very bad day. But today I'm feeling a little bit fresher, and I'm hoping that we can actually make a nice profit today, somehow, some way. We shall see though. So we have Tesla here at support. That's where it's opening at. So we'll see if it can break that and go down today. We're looking at 1,000 being a really key level of support, and then we had this is where I lost most on Friday was Tesla. I tried to buy this breakout. I thought this was going to break out, so I bought up there. I thought this was going to break out, so I bought there. So I went long, I went long, and I went long, all at the wrong places. Totally stupid. And I should have gone long here, but I didn't. And guess where I went long? Yep, right there. That was just horrible. It was disastrous, to say the least. Looking at the market, the greater market as a whole, it's kind of just like, let's move this over here. It wasn't a breakout market like at all. Let me see. Yeah, you can. Let's go to in the corner here. Take a look at the Qs. I mean, this is what it was looking at like. No breakouts. I mean, there was a big push right here, and that was this. Let's see, 2 minute chart. Yeah, right there. But the Qs, what technically it wasn't breaking out; it just slammed right back down. I should have waited for confirmation, but I didn't because I was being dumb. So it was. Uh, it had crossed my mind when it hit support right here to. Oh, that was the other thing. I shorted it here, and I tried actually shorted it here, which actually would have worked out, except I did not take profit here. I mean, look at this. This is textbook support 1020. That's what it opened at right there. See that? Opening price. There's support, tons of buyers at the opening price for the day. I had two opportunities to take profit, and I didn't. So I sold at a loss and then tried to go long here. Sold at a loss here. It was just, it was horrible. I don't know what I was thinking. I wasn't thinking. It was just a bad, bad day. Very bad decisions on my part. So, anyway, that's the. I was around all day because I didn't go into work, and I should have just stayed away from my computer, honestly. So, sorry, Patrick came in here. So, yeah, that was just a bad, bad morning trade and afternoon trade. Looking at the charts, looking at how the Qs was setting up and acting throughout the whole day, it was in this beautiful channel, and I really, I should have been smart, but instead, I did what all the sheeple did. And we're back. So, I'm trying to get onto YouTube here. There we go. Hey, that's... Where's my YouTube studio thing? Oh. Is it this here? There we go. That's better. There. Okay. We're good, we're good, we're good. So what are we looking for today? Tesla's a gap down, but it's going to be too expensive for us. Let's go ahead and run our scans. Yeah. Wells Fargo has some volume. AMD. What's AMD doing? Nothing, basically. Basically nothing. Yeah, Friday was super disappointing. I mean, you had... Yeah, I mean, Fridays are supposed to be, exciting, and they're supposed to be a whole bunch of short squeezes happening, and maybe there was a whole bunch of it on in the OTC market, but the blue chip stocks, nope. Okay, so let's go ahead and we are going to... Okay, so that's capping down. We're going to go ahead and go through our watch list. MU, doing nothing. It needs to break probably 98 before we would be interested in it. So let's go ahead and set an alert at 98 mark. All-time highs. Notify with everything. Absolutely. Let's create it. There we are. Okay. NVAX. That bounced off of support at 100, basically. So, that would have been a beautiful, absolutely beautiful play, because it truly did bounce right off of 100. One moment. So here we go. Trying to get the Patrick the live stream link. Because he wanted to see me trade. Okay, so NVAX hit support. This would have been an absolute doozy of a trade on Friday morning, because let's say we were looking at $100 as support. Obviously, it had 99. Opened at 101, basically. This would not have been a bad risk to reward. Where's your next resistance area? 104, basically. So you have $3. And then it obviously went beyond that beautifully. Could have also bought at this support right there. So yeah, and then it excuse me, it ticked off the red to green level right there at 112.50, which happened to be support here from the previous day. Could have shorted it there. I mean, there were really, really good options besides Tesla, which was a absolute chop fest. And honestly, Tesla would have worked fine if I would have actually played it correctly. If I would have had my head screwed on correctly, instead of trying to short it here and go long here, I should have just been playing the channel. I mean, look at this beautiful channel that was in. You have bottom, top, bottom, top. This was a breakdown. Cut a little loss here. Probably would have tried to short it here, but again, this is the opening price. The point is, I could have had 1, 2, 3, 4 wins, as opposed to 5 or 6 failures, So, water under the bridge. Let's take a look at mRNA, which is going to be too expensive for us. But again, this is sitting right at support. It gapped down over the weekend. NVIDIA, same thing. It's bouncing off of support again. 61. Yeah, right there. Apple, it's under support. 71. Right there. But literally like 71, so that's there. Let's see what Apple does. That might be something we could do today. Alright, so here we go. Let's take a look at the SPY. And here's Patrick's little stock down here. So, okay, So SPY is gapping down. We're looking at gapping down around support here. Everything is kind of gapping down and hitting support. So we will take our time. We're going to be patient. We're not going to do anything rash. Because there's a lot of stuff that's probably going to be bouncing around. So AMAT, this had some kind of nasty spreads if I remember correctly. I mean, it had a really good day, actually. This would have been perfect for the 2-minute candle strategy. Here's your entry. And around 57.50. Take your profits right in here, 160. So $2.50 range with a delta of 33 or so. That probably would have been a nice $60, $70 per contract win, which would have been nice. And you could have ridden it the rest of the day. See, this is what I wanted Tesla to do. Let's go blunk, make some new highs, support them. Make some new highs, support them, hold it, make new highs. That's what I was envisioning Tesla to do. And instead, I got that. So not exactly fantastic. CCL. Nothing here. LVS. Alright, I will be back. I need to go do something here quick. And we're back. So, let's see. LVS could be interesting if it can break through this 4350 level. All right, I want to. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Let's go here. Pre-market. ATVI. Whoa. I did hear that they got purchased by somebody. Who was it? Oh, Microsoft. Activision. Interesting. Wow, that is a good bump for them. 86. Wow. Look at that 2-minute candle just yeet. And that was it. BBIG. Wow, that's just hanging around and... Ooh, that's a beautiful, very beautiful 2-day run right there. This is the beauty of penny stocks, man. You have this company that seems just doomed. I mean, look at the 1 year, 1 day chart. It's been a runner in the past too. Nice pump and dump kind of stuff. But you have people that are interested in it. They buy it. It holds up. People are like, it's doomed. They short it at the top here. They add to their position here. They add to their position here. Then volume comes in, destroys the shorts. They get squeezed out. And then overnight, they try to recover their position. They're like, hey, let's short it again. It's going down again. So they start adding maybe the next morning at this level. And then they get destroyed again the next day. They keep adding and keep getting destroyed. And it happens over and over and over until you get to today. So the question is, after 3 green days, well, yeah, this is the 4th. The question is it going to continue? So it actually has options. Nice. Decent options, too. Look at that volume come in. Very beautiful. Okay, what are we doing here? Spine cues. Bombing towards support. caught some support. I'm going to hop on a Discord here. To see on a couple different groups on there, so I want to see what they have to say about the Treasury yields, bonds, and stuff like that. Discord, you're so slow. Optimize your programming, please. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Poor Roblox. Roblox. NVAX is giving back everything. Not everything, I should say. Boeing's looking pretty nice. I don't like the amount of resistance it's going into, but I mean, it survived Friday, so. Let's see here. Microsoft. Do 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 do. Oh, that would have been a nice short. Very beautiful. Crummy spread. So I am gonna go short on the Qs here. If I can have a little bit more confirmation, I would love that. Because we're looking at support here. And what's this at? Yeah. 72. Okay, so I'm going to grab a short contract once it drops again. Technically, It didn't break the pre-market low, so I'm wanting to be careful. What are the tech stocks doing here? Roku's falling. AMC. Ooh, AMC and GME. The meme stocks are getting destroyed. Wow. Break a 20, man. That's too bad. Just sitting and watching right now. Let's see here. What do we have? And the poor apes. Poor apes on AMC. Getting hammered. What's SQ doing here? Nice little breakout. Not much of a breakout. It was a nice little breakout. This is why you have to be really careful of buying breakdowns early in the morning, because it can do something like that. You know, if it would have shorted that, I'd be down with just one contract almost $40 by now. So yes, always exercise caution. Do 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 do. Something brought the volume in. What do we have here? Let's see here. today. Yeah. Close. Netflix. It's that. We mostly just have these little micro movements today. So far, anyway. Do. Oh, let's see. U.S. equity futures tumble. Treasury yields rise to pre-pandemic levels. Crude oil soars above $85 after drone attack on United Arab Emirates on Sunday. Wow. Do. So, I'm okay with this kind of a day. A day like this, I mean, this is the kind of day that makes it easy to not trade because everything looks so bad. Like there's no amazing. Oh wait, hold on.
Daddy.
Hey bud, what's up?
One thing.
What's up? I have to turn this off. Okay. Well, this would be a nice little breakout here, but the spread on the options is atrocious, so we're not going to touch it right now. Boeing actually. It turns out, somebody on Discord said J.P. Morgan. Wait, what? Oh, J.P. Morgan. Oh, that's That's different. Ooh, hard crash. I can get behind this. Let's grab one here real quick. It's a break of the low of the day. So we have a position in JP Morgan. Our goal is going to be based off of this. So we're going to have, oops, not down there. Risk is going to be 154.5, and our goal is going to be probably 153. Let that play a little bit. Man, if Microsoft can break 94, that'd be, or not Microsoft, Morgan Stanley. Yeah, I don't know about that. I have too much faith in breakouts right now. Not after Friday. But hey, what do I know? Oof. So much for the short on here. Alright, Spy, what do you have? What can you give us? This is another one that I saw. Yeah, support it. 53.50 for sure. So I'm gonna So, yeah, if we can have the Qs break this 372.30 level, we could be looking at a nice short, but it's not doing anything right now. Do-do-do-do. Wow, this is a nice move right here. That would have worked out nicely. Almost to 153, which is our goal. Patience is a virtue. Alright, I'm going to hop out here. We're pretty close to our goal. Alright, made 15% on that trade, so watch it bomb all the way down to like 150. Haha. What I'd really like to see is I really like to see the Qs. Bum, bum, bum. Ooh, nice bounce. Very nice bounce off of support there. Let's see here. Tesla is doing what Tesla does. Except for last Friday. Oh well. I mean, I guess I could do like the sympathy plays with it, but he wants to trade Nikola. Is it Neo? That's another one? No. No. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, well, actually. Yeah, Boeing, you go for it. Could have used this price action on Friday, you know? That was another trade that I did on Friday that really was highly unfortunate. Oh, so what I did on Friday was I bought a put, I shorted it at the break of the low of pre-market. Which unfortunately, I was not looking at the previous day's support right here, about 120-ish. And so I decided to just let it ride, and I should have gotten out. Like, the strategy is you get out at the top of your previous candle, exit there. But I was very stubborn and I thought it was going to fail. So I just doubled up my position here, and it didn't work out very well. So turns out if I would have bought at support, then I could have actually made a pretty penny sold into resistance here. Another hamster intervention there, interruption. Come on, Q's, you know you want to do it. You know you want to break. And then we got a nice 369 level just waiting. Just waiting for you to touch. Don't take that wrong. Roku is looking interesting. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Everything's super janky today. The poor meme stonks. It's like horrible. I feel bad for people that invested like their life savings into something that for the last, you know, months through 2, 3 months or something has just trended downward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months of red. It's just sad, man. It's very sad. Now, I have like 4 shares of AMC that I decided to get because why not? Got them way back here at like $16 a share. And I wish I would have sold them up in here, but wouldn't say I guess you could call me one of the apes, but 4 shares. I mean, I think I have a stop sell or something like that at like 17 or whatever. But the true believers would say that the Moab is coming. So okay, so yeah, we got out at 153.8, I think, is what we were out at. So all right, Q's, what you gonna do? If it breaks 375, we could have some nice intraday action. This is a day when the channel strategy would have worked perfectly. You buy at support, and you sell in resistance, and then you sell short into resistance, and you buy into support. It would have been gorgeous. But for some reason, Discord on my phone disconnected me. Anyway, that looks like JPM is keep continuing to go down. There we go. Everything's like, yay! And again, buy at the bottom, and then we would be selling into resistance here at 375. Don't ask me why I'm not actively. I see that strategy working like every day, and don't ask me why I'm not playing it more often. I think it's just because I'm a chicken. But channel trading can be super awesome, especially when you're buying stuff options that are in the money or close to in the money because they hold their value decently. So you don't get skunked out if there's a little bit of a bump here or there, or a little bit of a lower channel or something like that. But yeah, man, that would have worked. Worked very nicely. And I mean, you could say that, well, I should short it here, but We have 1, 2. This is the third time's the charm, sort of a thing. So, we only had two tests at the bottom. We have 3 on top. So, it actually technically broke the high of the morning, the high of the day. So, I'm one to just sit and wait and watch and see what it's going to do. SPY, on the other hand, it's a little out of sync. So, you have a nice W pattern there with the Q. And the SPY is just still, technically, it's trending downward. We have lower highs and lower lows. Looks like that could change, though. Stiff rejection right there. I mean, I'm pretty happy with the JP Morgan trade that we did. I mean, it was just 15%, not much. But hey, it was a nice, safe trade. We had a channel, bought the breakdown, and then we had a goal of 153 based off support here on this little day here. Right there. Yep. So I'm happy with that. Sure feels a lot better than Friday. Yeesh. Oops. Go Tesla. I'm really happy actually that Tesla is actually going up now. That's what I wanted you to do on Friday. Actually, on Friday I wanted it to bomb, but I would have taken a nice solid breakout too. At this moment, it's too expensive for me. But I sure would have taken that. Faux show. Alright, hitting into resistance here. Square. Should have taken that. Look at that thing go. Oh yeah, that's right. The spread was really crummy earlier, wasn't it? That's my excuse anyway. And that beautiful little rejection at the 159 or 459.50 level. Yeah, square was the play. JPM. Continuation. Could have made another 10% on that by now. Boy, that would have been nice. Oh, very nice. Let's check out Microsoft. What's it doing? Oh, okay. I'm still salivating over Square here. I mean, it did bounce very beautifully off of, well, not beautifully, I should say, but if you had taken the break of the morning high there, first candle, your break is right here, and then had a little bit of patience, and it went red to green. Ah, that red to green move, man. Oh, that's the play right there. Look. Tried once. Second try was the charm. Yup. Ooh. What's that based off of? Hey, I don't. Sometimes I'll chart something like this support level here. I'll chart it, and then it actually becomes something significant like weeks later. Like I charted this back in this area here, and it just seemed like a significant area for me. And then you have something like this happen today where it essentially bounces off of it twice. Looks like we're going to get a resurgence here. But yeah, it was looking good. Yeah, well, I'm going to hop off. Gonna get to work and make a living here. So, or try to, anyway. All right, well, hey, have a fantastic day, and we will talk to you later.